today we were just kind of hanging out at the house, doing work just on the computer and whatever else. Daniel hit me up with an invite to an art show, so we're out here. We're waiting for him right now. He's going to be here in like 5 minutes or so, and then we're just going to walk inside and see what's going on. Real quick, this is a Basquiat art theme show. All right, now back to the coverage. So we're leaving the art show now. We're heading to Bahama Breeze and we're gonna get some dinner. So Bahama Breeze is also a Pokestop, so it's about to be lit. So this is the first time Daniel's tried Bahama Breeze. I told him to do the jerk chicken pasta, so let's see how he likes it. Alright, try the pasta.
It's alright.
Bye, Daniel.
Bye, Ravi. See you tomorrow, man.
You can stop spraying now.